In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a form after submitting it in Google Forms. This is a handy skill, especially if you've ever had to fix a mistake or update your information after filling out a form. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, you want to head over to Google Drive. Google Drive is your go-to workspace for accessing all your files, documents, and associated apps, including Google Forms. If you're not already at Google Drive, simply type in the URL or click on the link if you're following along with this guide. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to navigate your way to the Apps section. This is where you can manage and access various Google applications, one of them being Google Forms. Clicking on Apps will give you a list of available tools integrated with your Google account. Now that you've opened the Apps section, find and click on Forms. This will take you to the Google Forms homepage where you can see any forms you've created or have access to. If you're creating a new form, you'll likely start here as well. From the list of forms, the next step is to select the one you wish to work on. Once you find it, simply click on it to open. This action will bring up the form in question where you can start configuring it to allow edits post-submission. With your form open, look for the settings option. You'll typically find this represented by a gear icon, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access all the settings related to your Google form. Under the settings, locate the responses section. This is where you control what happens after a form is submitted, including whether or not respondents can edit their submissions. Clicking into this area brings you closer to enabling post-submission editing. In the responses section, you'll see an option that says allow response editing. Make sure to check this box. Doing so ensures that anyone who submits a form will have the ability to go back and edit their responses, should they need to make changes at any point. After you've checked Allow Response Editing, proceed to the Publish section. Clicking here finalizes these changes and ensures they're applied to your form. Once you're satisfied, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are captured and saved without any loss of work. To facilitate editing for respondents, click on Copy Responder Link. This handy link is what you will share with those you've invited to fill out the form, allowing them to easily access and modify their submissions. To finalize this part, simply click Copy to ensure you can paste the link wherever you plan to share it. Before we conclude, it's a good idea to preview the form as if you were a respondent. This is done by clicking on Preview and Fill Form. This action lets you fill out the form from a user's perspective and check that everything, including the newly enabled editing feature, works perfectly. Lastly, after filling out the form, click Submit. Once submitted, you have the option to edit your response. Click on it to make the necessary changes and you're done. With these steps, you'll be able to easily enable and carry out form editing after submission in Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.